Right, so as you put your maze together, and this is a problem if you're working with the Neon toolkit, you will notice that the colours don't always, they don't look like one maze. Yeah, so we have this dark blue to a light blue everywhere. Yeah, and that's because if we click on them and we go to materials, we'll see this item here has 1, 2, 3 different colours associated with it. Yeah, so it has this pink, which is here. It has this green and yellow, which is here. And the dominant colour is this blue one. And it's this blue one that we're interested in kind of fixing. So I can click on the blue one. And then we can see that it's a colour ramp. Yeah, so it starts at this colour. Well, sorry, it starts at this colour and then it fades up to this colour. Yeah, and that gives us this kind of unevenness, which is not what we want. So, how to do that? We can do a couple of things. We can just get rid of the colour ramp. So I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to remove it. Yeah, and then we've removed that one colour. So we've still got these two. They're unchanged, but this one is now white. So what I can do with that, I can then change that to any colour that I want. A nice pink, there we go. And what's a nice texture is this kind of metallic texture. It gives it a really nice feel. And we've got something called a plastic texture. And if I remove it, and then if I undo that, we can see what that does, what that plastic texture gives us. So let me just do that. So redo, and you can decide which is better. Yeah. So that is kind of flat. It's a kind of matte texture. And if I add it back in, then we have this kind of glossy texture. Yeah. And you can decide, yeah? You can decide what colour you want. You can decide the kind of look and feel. Anyway, so now we've got this one. Over here, remember we've got 3 colours on this object. I'm only interested in this one that I've just played with. So I'm going to copy that material. Then all of these. And copy material to selected. And then I can just do that with the rest. That one there. Copy material to selected. All of these. Copy material to selected. And now it's quite nice. It looks like one maze. These joins here, we can get rid of those, and we will do that right at the end. So we're not going to worry about that too much now. These colours here, if I wanted to change these, I could. But I don't want to. I'm quite happy with that. Yeah? And that now looks like quite a nice texture. Very happy with that, yeah? Quite easy to do and quite straightforward. So there you go, have a play with that.